Hi everybody, it's Karen. How are you? Today I'm going to make this is so good. It's from the Skinny Taste cookbook, and boy, she really knocked it out of the park with this one. We're gonna make a turkey Santa Fe taco salad with avocado crema, but I made some changes, but I'll put the recipe exactly as she has it in her book in the description, and also a link for the book, which I would highly recommend that you can get on Amazon. So there's a little bit to it, and when I was making it, I was thinking, boy, I hope this is good because it's a lot of chopping and preparing, but it was so good. You will love this. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is now this is I have to tell you. I am making this for my lunch, which is huge, and it's 8 points. You could easily make it half it for 4 points. And I did some tweaking, but like I said, I'm going to put the recipe, which will be for 4 people, in the description, and you can do whatever you want. So I tweaked it a little bit, and I'll tell you about that on the video. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get together a ½ pound of extra lean ground turkey breast. Okay, that's the first thing I changed. I have a roast turkey or roast chicken that I got from the store, and I don't even know how much this is. This is gonna be all for me. I know this is gonna be a lot. It's really big. It's like one of those big salads you get at a Mexican restaurant. So let me put this down. And so that's the first change I made. It's chicken instead of the ground turkey. So, and this is probably, I don't know, what do you think, 6 ounces maybe? So we're gonna put this in a frying pan, large frying pan, saute pan, whatever. And then it says to add some salt, which I'll do that later. The next is a ½ cup of canned black beans, rinsed and drained. Okay, so that's this. So I'm putting a ½ cup in. These are free, so I don't even count them. The next thing is 2 tablespoons of pickled jalapeno pepper. Mine, I added some of the juice, and this is like, if you don't like spicy, then, don't put this in. If you like spicy, which I do, probably, put a little bit more in. Anyway, it says 2 tablespoons, and like I said, I added the juice to it. So there's that. The next is 1 large tomato. Let's get as juicy as you can get. The next is I'm going to sneeze. Excuse me. The next is 1 garlic clove, minced, which I'm just going to put the paste in. This paste that I have, I'm just going to put some in. I don't know how much it is. A little bit. All right, so after that, 3 tablespoons of chopped onion. I had some purple onion, so let's add that to our pan. The next is 3/4 cup of corn. I think that's a ½ cup. It doesn't matter. If I want to, I'll add more later. But so you put that in there too. And then some 1 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin. So let's come over here. You can see the pan. Let me turn the light on. You can get it simmering, and I leave this for about, I don't know, 15 minutes. I cover it so everything can get hot and all the flavors can meld. Okay. Put a little bit of salt and pepper in there. See my fried rice that I'm going to make, I don't know, maybe tomorrow I'll film that, a seafood fried rice recipe. It's really good. Anyway, so you simmer this for 15 to 20 minutes, put a pot on it, a lid on it, and that's it. Now, the next thing, it's not quite simmering yet, so I gotta watch it. The next thing what you're gonna want to do is make the avocado crema. All right, so I've already made it, so I'm just going to tell you what's in it. And like I said, it'll be in the description. So what we're going to do is you're going to get a whole, one whole medium avocado, okay? And for the crema, you're going to use half of that in this. So you put it in like a blender or mixer, whatever, Vita mixer. And then 1/4 cup reduced fat sour cream, 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice, 1 medium fresh jalapeno pepper chopped, 1 1/2 tablespoons of chopped fresh cilantro. I didn't have the fresh, so I just put whatever. And some kosher salt and pepper. Now, I added a little bit more lime juice because it was kind of thick. I don't know, my avocado was a little bit big. So, and I have to tell you, these Saltopia salts are so great. So I added a little bit of the Pucker Up Buster, which is the lemon pepper infused sea salt from Saltopia, and it really made it pop. It really made it good. So you mix that all up in your blender, and you know, it makes for 4. So yesterday I had this, and I used, you know, not even 2 tablespoons, I don't think, because it's got a really good flavor even without it. And then while that's cooking, you can make your little salad that you're going to put this all on. So all I have is some lettuce and tomato. You can add scallions if you want. Olives. I didn't want the olives because I didn't want more points, because the whole thing, I mean, this is going to be huge. This is a big, big salad, is 8 points. So you could easily have it half and have 4 points easily, but I'm really hungry and it was really good. So I'm having the whole thing for 8 points, which is not that bad. Anyway, so you're going to put all of that over this, okay? And then the last, and then you're going to put about 2 tablespoons of the avocado crema over on top. And then the final thing is, let me show you. Oh, so when it's all done, you're going to put 1/4 cup of this reduced fat Mexican cheese blend cheese. So that'll be after it's all done cooking and it can melt on there. And then I know this is such a Weight Watchers thing. These Dorito chips, they're just regular. I looked for bacon, I couldn't find any. So I got regular Dorito chips. I count out 6 for 2 points, and I crunch them, and then I put that on top, and it really makes it. So that's it. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. It's so good, you guys. You're gonna love it. All right, talk to you in a little bit. And here we have the finished product. I put the 1/4 cup of cheese on. Also, after you cook your meat and vegetables, your beans and whatever, you want to let it cool for maybe 15 minutes. And then you put it over the lettuce. And then after that, you put the cheese on, and then you put the crema on. I put 3 tablespoons. And then you put the chips on. And you can see this is a large salad. I mean, easily could feed 2 people. So this whole thing is 8 points. It's so good, you guys. It's just delicious. You're going to love it. All right. Bon appetit. I hope you guys try it. Bye.